Hello, good day. Michael Gaffney, Flower School 101. Why do my flowers last so long? First time I was on the Today Show, I said, Kathleen Gifford, how long do your flowers last? She said, 5 days. Come have some wine. Hoda, how long do they last? 3 days. Why do they last for weeks in my house? The reason is I'm using Crowning Glory. It's a wax sealant which seals in all your flowers. So make sure you get something called Crowning Glory. I'm going to spray this bouquet with it, and it's going to seal it in wax. It's like Clinique for Clinique for your flowers. So make sure to get Crowning Glory, Crowning Glory, Crowning Glory, and watch your flowers last longer. You know who Cicely Tyson is, don't you? Legendary actress. She attended my classes, and one day she came up to me on Broadway and said, "Oh, Flower Man, I've been looking for you." And I said, "Miss Tyson, you just won the Kennedy Center Honor Award." She goes, "Yes, but Flower Man, I've had flowers in my house for 3 weeks. Who knew that flowers lasted so long?" And I said, "Well," she said, Vanessa Williams is at my house. She doesn't believe I had these flowers for weeks. Oh, Flower Man, what do I do?" I said, "Well, Miss Tyson, send Vanessa to school." That's all we can do. So flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming. This bouquet is for Cicely Tyson in honor of her and her participation in my class, her friendship. She was very kind to me, and these are for you, Miss Tyson. Flower School 101. Keep blooming.